Hey everybody, how you doing? John here. You are watching In the Loop Travel. We've got a little different kind of video for you today. We're going to take a look at our Colorado home. Yes, we have moved to Colorado from the East Coast, and we're actually back in a home that we have owned since 2004. Now, we lived in it from 2004 2007, moved away for the past 13 years as we've traveled and found different jobs and worked on the East Coast, but now we are back in Colorado. 13 years later, we had rented it out since then, and you're going to see what 13 years of wear and tear has done to a house and get a look at the projects that we are undertaking to bring it up to date, get it refurbished, and something that we really want to live in and enjoy while we're here in Colorado. Now, our projects are going to touch pretty much every area of the home. You can see one of the biggest things we want to do is get the yard up to speed. It's kind of really worn out and was neglected, so we are going to do a lot of projects on the outdoors that we are very excited with. We're using a landscaper. He's going to put in a lot of new plants and some xeriscaping, but you can see the condition it looks like now. It is just not usable at all. Every other piece of the house also will be touched inside and out. We're getting all new floor coverings, paint, gutters, everything you can think of. All sorts of new decor. We're going to redo our kitchen. We're going to redo both bathrooms. We're going to put in a nice shower in the basement bathroom. And we are going to put in all new appliances. We are definitely getting rid of the popcorn ceiling. Many of the things you see in this 1986 built home are quite outdated. So we'll get a total new refresh. Outdoor, we're going to put a new patio, a pergola, and a new fence around the yard. So you can see kind of the rough condition that we are dealing with right now. We're sort of moved in very lightly, got most of our possessions in the garage still, so we're leaving plenty of space and leaving it clear for our contractors to get in here and get to work. So let's see the work in progress. Okay, so we're about halfway through this project, and as you can see, things have changed quite a bit in this home. We've had a lot of work done, but it still continues. About 5.5 weeks in, 5 weeks to go. We've got the downstairs completely done. New shower, new carpeting, new paint. Outside is almost completely done. We have nice new landscaping, plants, fence, pergola, patio, and a new turf lawn. So we have moved downstairs into our finished basement, living in a tiny little apartment style, doing the best we can to stay sane while all the work is going on around us. It's tiny little quarters, but it's comfy, and we know it'll be worth it in the long run. We have given the full run of the main floor here and the second floor for new kitchen. The cabinets have come in. We'll have new flooring coming in as well, and carpeting upstairs, and we'll also have another new bathroom upstairs, as well as carpeting, paint throughout, new lighting fixtures, a ceiling fan. So we're excited to see what it looks like in the end. So let's get there. After 3 months of renovations, living with contractors in a house, the project is finally done, and we're so excited. It was a lot of inconvenience, some cramped quarters, but we really think it's going to pay off. We want to show you the whole transformation process as it happened. I want to thank you now for watching this video and supporting us over the years on all our travel videos. Now, we are traveling closer to home these days, and we are loving our new home base in Colorado. We'll have more videos coming on our hikes and trips around the state. And meantime, have a look at the transformation, and we'll see you again in the next video.